Anywhere you go, you can pay for your parking with ParkMobile. We have almost 500,000 transactions going through our app every single day. We're just all about a lot of really complex data. The most important part of our business is understanding what's going on from a user perspective, who's downloading the app, where they are, how many transactions they're doing in the app. And we're looking at those metrics on a daily and weekly basis to make sure that all of our KPIs for the business are heading in the right direction.
2 years ago when I started here, dealing with data was very, very frustrating. It was data archaeology, trying to figure out where the data bodies were buried. And now we're building reports, we're building dashboards, and doing real modeling and analytics on top of that.
The time that we used to spend looking for data, or trying to pull together a report, asking which tables things are in, we can spend that time now focusing on the problem, analyzing the data so that we can come up with a solution, and really being able to go out and execute on what we find much more easily and quickly and get a win-win for everybody involved.
In the past, when a customer would ask us for any data beyond the normal data, it would often be a very heavily manual task. Sometimes impossible for us to get to that data. Now we often find that it's at our fingertips. It's no big deal to deliver to them.
For our marketing teams, it's important for us to bring users into ParkMobile's ecosystem and figuring out what's effective, what messaging works for getting users interested in ParkMobile. So we're always looking for data to help us make those decisions about what's the next thing that I need to introduce into the product to make that user experience push the user further down the funnel so that they can convert. If I can make a decision with data, it makes me feel a lot more comfortable than making a decision blind.
With Looker, I mean, it's so straightforward. Like, if you click on a field, it adds it to your report. If you click the little pivot button, it adds it to the top of your report. If you click filter, it adds it to the filter. And that's pretty much all you need, to create a basic look. Looker embeds are pretty much the way we've built our entire client platform. So really, our clients are never actually going to go to any Looker websites. All they're going to do is get to see the Looker embeds in our PM360 client-facing website. That's awesome because we can keep our branding around the experience. One of the things we'd like to gear up towards is giving our clients the ability to explore our data.
When there's a snowstorm, no one's going out and paying at the meter, they're staying home. But we don't really have the data behind to make a quantitative story out of that. So we're really looking forward to getting that data and using Looker to analyze it, to put the weather data on top of our normal consumer behaviors of parking and see the relationship strongly so we understand the relationship and we can predict our business better.
The Looker platform will enable ParkMobile to make fast decisions, make accurate decisions, and be the best parking mobility provider in our industry.